Hey everybody, welcome to the first episode of what I'm calling the Mix Minute. These are short videos that explain things about audio engineering, principles of the stuff that we do, and some tips and tricks to maybe help you at home. So one of the first things I want to talk about is acoustics. If you have a choice in places where you can build your studio, here are some things to think about. First, picking a room. Ideally, you don't want your room to have similar dimensions, length and width. So for example, if your room is 10 feet wide, you don't want it to be 10 feet deep or 10 feet tall. Unfortunately, there are a lot of rooms that are built that are 10 by 10 or 12 by 12 or 15 by 15. But with furniture and where you place stuff, you can defeat a little bit of those problems. The next thing to worry about is your mix position. Ideally, you do not want to be in the middle of the room. So for example, if your room's 10 feet deep, you do not want your chair to be at 5 feet from the wall. You want to be in a third of the room. So if it's 15 feet deep, you want to occupy that first 5 feet with you and the speakers. The second thing to consider is geometry. Ideally, the mix position is supposed to be an equilateral triangle, with your head at one point and the speakers at the other points. So if my speaker to the right is 4 feet away, the speaker to the left is 4 feet away, there should be 4 feet between the speakers. The last thing about the mix position is the height of your speakers, tweeters, ear level. Positioning your speakers so you minimize reflection off your equipment, but at the same time, occupy an area at the same height of your ears. You want to make that plane right there at your ears. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you're watching it on a platform, throw me a thumbs up and check out the rest of the videos I have. Until next time.